tried so many times to find the one to fill my soul with a taste of love. So I followed the blood tracks on the field down, and he led me to the throne of grace. Would you tell me, oh lover of my soul, where do you take your beloved one so? For I wish to be wrapped all around you. It is you that I long for. Let me soar in your fragrance all over me. Embrace me, immerse me, invade me, outrun me. If I ever lose the sight of you, don't take my eyes to your footprint. I'm yours as you are mine, forever and forever. I was still trying to hold myself, but the fact that you're already laughing,
Oh, gee.
it's as if we reached that part, it's you that will sing.
Okay, all right.